Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn that how you can disable the share button on your Facebook profile. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you do so, if you can see, this is a post and there is the share option that I can share it. But if I want to disable it on my post, it's pretty easy and simple. All you need to do is to tap on the menu here, then go to settings. In the settings menu, you need to scroll a bit where you will find the option audience and visibility. Under it, you need to go to profile and tagging. Here you will find the option allow other to share your post to their stories. You need to disable that one if it is enabled. Now, there is one more thing that I want you to do. If you go to your profile and you need to scroll a bit where you will find your post here. So all you need to do is to tap on the three dots, then go to edit privacy. If it is set to public, you need to make it to friends. Once you do that, only your friends can see that post, but they will not be able to share it. And the rest of the public, which are not your friends on Facebook, they will not be able to share your post. So guys, this is how you can do it. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.